Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Amebo Icons. My name is Queen Etanade here with
I remain number one Magilicious.
Okay. Yes, so person don't cry come our court saying that the problem when she gets with this and it's so pathetic. And she say a guy for 6 years, they told they date for 6 years. Say 3 days ago, as in when the two job meets. Say the guy don't even first and foremost. She say last year the guy proposed to her.
Yes.
After how many years? Okay.
After 6 years of dating.
Yeah, within 6 years. So now 5 years they did. That's how the guy proposed to her. I can't add this one, making 6 years. Say that two called deal. The next thing, the guy come meet her about 3 days ago. Come meet her.
No,
tell
she
her
go
say,
visit the guy.
Guy 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
The guy called tell her say make she no worry. Say they two good day and all that. Say she can't find out say after that 3 days where they two just meets. Now the guy don't go marry.
Don't travel go their place.
Marry another person. Say now the babe when marry now she just post her for her her page. Now she say and say hey. No be this my guy be this. As she see am, now she come call am. Na true, you marry, you no marry. The guy say no marry, no be am o, no be him she see. Now she come say she come travel, come go. The guy she come go meet the guy. Instead of meet the guy let her make she come in house. The guy say no, make she no come in house.
Go block her somewhere.
Say make she wait for somewhere. Say the two go meet for them. Now later the guy call professor say he no fit hurt am o, na she go marry. Now later when she come reach house, come think am well come do her research well, cause he say true the guy don marry 6 years. Now she come go Facebook o, she come talk say she out of annoyance now she come dey swear for she and the guy. Say when the guy be no get anything when they stay for one room, this babe no see am. Now when don be medical doctor don dey do well. Now she come see am. Say abeg wetin make she do? Say as she dey so life don tire am. She never experience that kind thing before. Just dey hear am. So wetin make she do?
These guys these days the way they treat babe outside. This one na him come weak me past 6 years. And he still give the girl space, chance of coming to pay him a visit. The girl come stay 3 days with am. He not just let her know say, babe, see wetin dey happen. Or maybe babe, see, my family dey disturb me, say make I go marry. Maybe then the first woman for me to go marry.
You be baby.
And you can't even tell the girl say you dey travel go home. Or knowing say the travel where you dey travel now marry you dey go marry. So even if family dey force you to go marry the woman wey dey village, the one wey you live here for city here nko.
Number one, me, I go like blame you that girl. How you date guy for 6 years, 5 years? What are you dating for?
Ish.
If you had married, if you guys had married, maybe the second year, by now na pikin for dog they go like 3 years.
Even for herself, that's if she conceive on time.
So wetin I blame you? We'll start from you first too. Now you will first start to blame.
Because now she gets the cocoa.
Now you.
You dey with man for 1 year.
He not do anything.
2 years.
He proposed after 5 years.
Notice some men dey wey be say you go dey with them 1 year, 2 years.
No, maybe the man go say never dey get.
No, you not go even get to know their family members. You dey understand?
That's so
because
bad.
They go dey keep you away from their family members.
Are you
man wey wan
supposed to
settle with you, you go want make you first. You go first let you to meet the family member. Then you go know say yes, this person dey serious. You now go come together. You go come begin dey ask you say, babe, wetin we need? Wetin be the next step? Tell me for your place if I need to go see your people. Wetin go take me or how we need to do. Abi then they get how then they go. Just give me the clue. Make I begin to see how fit take start am. But for good 6 years, the man no make any move. As a woman, you dey there. You dey put mind. The man na Jesus Christ. When you feel say no fit leave it tomorrow. This one weak me.
So she don dey talk her say wetin make she do? Wetin you go advise me she do? Say she make she just leave the man. Say abeg you go meet your own for front. Abi wetin you want me she because right now she don stay she dey lose her mind. Wetin she go do?
Never lose your mind because you get fight where you go fight to. If you lose your
mind,
you
wan fight with the man.
If you lose your mind now, you want to gain your own stand. Cause the same man go down to another woman.
He's not going to do it to another woman.
He go sit down to
marry.
Are you sure say even the woman wey you married to, you no get another one outside when you go see leave that one go marry?
So
if you ask me, babe, this one don't happen, it don't already happen. But don't lose your mind. Don't let yourself get disturbed. If na the family force am to go marry that woman, say make you come feel the pain, let them feel the pain.
How they want to feel pain?
Matter don dey everywhere now. If you go court now, you get lawyer now. Go, at least go claim for damages. Make that money wey they get, him and the family, if dem pay you for the damages wey you go claim for court, he go give you your own damages. At least you need to achieve one thing from 6 years.
Him
6 years.
Yes, so
6
for
years,
wasting your time.
Days, so make you go find person wey go help you, get lawyer, carry this matter up, claim damages. Even let am know say if anything wey you fit know say you fit do to claim your damages, you need to go get your own, achieve something for good 6 years. Because outside now dem go say I be force am to stay. E no force you to stay, but e no tell you say e no go marry you. Don't make you shine your eye. Don't let this kind of thing happen to you again.
She don't learn a lesson.
Oh Jesus.
You know, and again, I want to talk something from this thing. Guys wey dey outside, as we dey talk to the person wey get issues, we dey talk to other people too.
Yes.
You know, because both you wey get issue and you wey no get issue, una go gats meet am one time, or you meet person wey get this kind of thing. You know, you that guy wey dey wicked person pikin, wey dey lie, you go come keep person pikin for years, but you know for your mind say you fit no marry am, you no go marry am.
And you go keep on for good.
You are just wicked. See, na this kind thing una dey do wey dey put people for bottle. But this kind thing una dey do wey one person go carry gun go shoot person. You don't know how that thing dey pain person. Na this kind thing you do, another person go commit suicide, say hey, you understand?
And you go live a life, you go dey happy, but you don't make one person take in life.
But deep down within you, you know say normal, they don't check your mind. You no wish for this kind of thing to happen.
Might even tell you the one way last time wey happen for my area. You get one lady like that, this same thing wey happen. This one, she said na her family dey like always make her say wetin happen. Say na you be mostly like all these Igbo ladies. Say na you be first daughter. You know say if you no marry, say your younger ones no go fit get access to go marry. So now she no get any option because the lady dey do well. She come say okay, wetin I fit do now to fit let family comot eye from me. She come meet this guy because the guy no get anything at that time when they meet. She come make sure say she use all her savings to try help this guy come up. So he come become one business person. The guy come dey do well for business. When the guy don dey do well for business, wetin the guy come do now? Go marry for village.
Wow.
He go marry another woman for village. When he go marry for village, he come deceive the lady say he dey travel go home, say dem get family issue wey they wan go attend for home. The family know. And the family know when this lady they help this guy. They invest her money for this guy. Now one of the guy friend come call and say, babe, sure you dey something don dey happen, you don't know. He say wetin dey happen? Say your guy don go marry for village. He say na lie. She first faint. When she come call the guy come call the guy mama. The mama no get wetin he wan talk. Now he say, if una no want kill una one after another, as in one by one, make una find how una wan take. My money all wey I don put for una son body, bring am come back. If not na one I go take you. But I no dey tell you say make you go keep person o.
No.
Like just say we need to bring out something wey go.
Where you know say we know say another person don pass through the same thing wey you dey pass through, so even worse than that.
I swear.
Na two options. She don tell you say you fit go court. The guy don waste your time for a very long time. You know, 4 years pikin don dey talk, don dey nursery, wetin.
Don't even dey send a message.
Don dey send a message. So this guy gats pay for everything.
For the damage, the time wey don keep you.
Yes. And again, you fit walk away. Just look and say, this one, e go meet you on for front. Na two options we get.
The walking away is, you know, say if you no meet am, your pikin go meet am.
You imagine.
And when you walk away, who know, maybe God fit give you woof. You know, you go even day with for 6 or 3 months, say we go say, babe.
And again, God will give you someone better than this man wey misbehave like this. What if you come marry, una two marry, but you can't do something worse than this? You two, they also think am too. So what if the guy true 6 years after the marriage, he can't still go marry another person join you?
Another point be that one.
You know, so you guys think a lot of things. Tell yourself say you never finish. Dust yourself up where you keep yourself, and next time no repeat such mistakes.
I tell you.
If you get friends wey don dey date for 5-6 years or more, ask the guy, where is this thing heading, make we know. No be say by tomorrow now they say one person wan leave you go marry for another place. And again, continue. You know, some ladies go look and say e no good to struggle with men. If they come make am, they go come leave you.
Leave you where you meet them.
You know, where you meet them. But if you want a person, help am comot eye. You understand? This thing wey don happen to you, we feel your pain, we know what you're going through, we feel, you know, come on, break up again. Just they say na breakfast they call am. Wey just be how many months.
Relationship don turn for breakfast.
Breakfast, you know. Come on, how many months on? People they want craze do everything. Let alone some like 6 years. We know say they pain well. But you too, because if you go do something back to yourself, you go regret am
later.
Or if you fit not live to regret yourself, you don't die, go down, now you lose. If you go do something bad to the guy, then go arrest you.
Yes.
Now you still lose.
Judge.
Yes. So it's either you take the matter, go court, say okay, oh, now wetin I want be this, now wetin this guy do me be this, or you just walk away. God will give you your own person. Yes, so we don come to the end of this particular matter.
And
you get another thing.
Yes, I wan beg babes wey dey outside. I dey beg una. If you dey start relationship, no dey put marriage first. So if guy break up with you, you no go too dey disappointed. First, dey ask yourself wetin you want inside the marriage. Na every guy wey you dey go out with, na you dey say you wan marry.
And then you are desperate.
No be every guy wey you see outside ready to marry. And no be every babe wey dey outside ready to settle down. But once both the men and the women, once you dey inside relationship, when I dey take am first say I need a partner wey be say I fit dey gist with, I fit dey talk with, I fit just share issues with, idea with, wey go make wetin I dey think to go front. But woman wey dey there wey be say you dey date man for 6 years, 6 years you date am, he never even think say he wan marry you, and you waste 6 years with that man. You sef ask yourself say wetin dey worry me? Because if you no give yourself sense, you no start to dey think say this is wetin I want. If I wan date you, I know say this na relationship, let's just play along so I can still also dey look out there. I fit see person wey dey serious with me. But when you come put mind for one guy, come dey for 6 years for one relationship, abeg, if you use 6 years go
start
school
business
or
na wetin I see for my mind.
6 years
Go
you
school.
achieve a lot o, than to go waste am out for one man wey dey outside there, wey at the end he go still leave you. So I dey beg young ladies wey dey outside, make we no too dey desperate of getting married, because we go end up for the wrong hand. I no dey date man, dey put your mind there, dey put all your time there, dey use your time for your own self. Why you no fit give yourself time for yourself? Make yourself happy, then you go see wetin you want. I beg.
And when this breakup come happen, you no go too pain you like that.
You no go too feel am.
You
But you
don't
go
get
just take am say na normal thing.
Na normal
Make
thing.
I just move ahead. Let me take a walk out of this.
But when you don't come put mind, come look and say
the thing, you come
don't
break
feel,
you
come
down.
break you down. You can't dey overwhelmed because of this particular thing. Yes, so she don't talk am. Now don't hear as it be. Others, you wait all this relationship 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. You
so
don't hear am.
10 years, go say my man friend, my boyfriend, my
What are you waiting for? Are you okay?
10 years.
10 years pikin don dey go. Oh my God. So una don hear as the thing take be. Yes, we understand wetin you don go through. We don tell you how it take be. The most koko of importance of all, love yourself.
Yes.
Love yourself. It don happen, it don happen. Look and say, what if na you die? What if you die?
During the 6 years.
What if you die? You know, by the time you don't get it, you come dey think of me. If I don't get it, I say, what if I don't die? Omo,
The issue goes.
I would don limit am. Wait, abeg. The worst and worst of everything wey fit happen to person na make e die. Who you wan fight with?
Alive.
What if the guy himself die? You wait after the 6 years. Oya mo talk true. After the 6 years wey the guy go date, he can't die.
But now when you no die,
You go marry am.
now when you no die, babe, make she first try that, taking the case to court or look for a lawyer. At least at all she could get some damages, something to first start up with.
Start up with.
To start
Okay.
up with.
All right. So we don come to
Don't stay for
the
the
end of.
relationship.
Okay, we don come to the end of this matter. As e take be, una subscribe, like, share. Yes, we go dey bring another amebo as e take before amebo cuts. Bye from this angle.
Thank you.